Recently at Springwoods High School, the gym sounded like game day, whistles blasting, sneakers cutting across the court, but this time, students weren't playing, they were calling the shots. In partnership with Sports Officials Care, students from across SBISD stepped onto the court as game officials, learning what it takes to read a play, make split-second decisions, and lead with confidence. They practiced judgment calls, learned how to manage game flow, and experienced the pressure that comes with maintaining integrity when everyone is watching. Officials reinforce the lessons that matter most: professionalism, respect, and staying calm under pressure on and off the field. Through Game On and Future Officials Academy, Sports Officials Care mentors push them to think fast, communicate clearly, and take ownership of every call. Because the future of Houston sports depends on young leaders who can step in and keep the game moving.